Plan B, there is no safe way to support this housing. So this is the two nylon pieces that goes nicely inside, already tested. Like I said, I need to support the transmission. Here it's the bell housing and I can support it as it is right now. But when I want to make it the other way around, to transfer the gears into this housing, there is no safe way. You see how it looks like. So I'm gonna fix one frame to attach the frame on it, put it, bolt it in as many possible places. Let us say here has a threads, one bracket down here, one bracket, let us say from here, one bracket from here, another bracket from here, here, as many as possible to support all the transmission other way. These are the shaft. You see from this side it's been ruined. Like I said, maybe somebody can fix this. Me, I cannot fix this. With the tools that I have here, it's supposed to be like that and not like that. We're gonna see about that. We have to get a used one, new one, we have to make one, I don't know, we're gonna see. So that's yeah, I'm gonna show you how it looks like the frame also, the one that we're gonna mount this housing. I washed the housing to don't have an oil, don't slip from my hands and fell down. We have a nice healthy surfaces. Okay, now like I said, I need to support it, to fix the brackets to support it. Okay, that's fine. Keep in mind that the problem on the shaft, on this one, it's not causing, there is no reason, let us say, to don't shift the transmission. As soon as it comes out from the parking position, the rest order it's coming from the tower, from the gear shift, because there's nothing else here. There is only the spring for that, and this one that's pushing to engage the parking brake. That's all the story on that. So there is a problem with that, but it's not the problem that's not shifting the transmission. That's what I'm saying. All right, moving on. Let's fix the stand. Let's fix the stand. First wash, doesn't look bad, right? Not bad at all. For now it's fine. And that's how it looks like the stand. What do we have here? What do we have here? One bracket here, support on this point comes here. On this bar, it step this piece here. So we have 1, 2, 3, all right, 4, with another bracket there, 5, the 3-inch pipe, oops, okay, I didn't scratch it, 6, so we have 6 points, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 points. I mean, I already tested, I'm almost 80 kilograms and it's holding it fine. Now, what's the plan? Closing it, and then I need another 2 people to turn it upside down and keep it on the floor. Has enough clearance also for the output shaft here. Wish me luck. Alright, now change the table. I brought this from outside. With this one you can do that. It's much better there, right? So removing now the bolts, because I put 2 bolts here, 3 from this side and 3 from the other side to stay in place. Removing the bolts, swapping the parts. Now I have to continue to check the transmission because I don't know if there is any other problem inside. Alright, I don't have the parts, like I said. I don't have the seal, I don't have the nut, I don't have the shaft, I don't have this magnetic sensor here, I don't have the extension for the solenoids, I don't have the seals for the pistons or the pistons themselves or a new clutches. Alright, I don't have a new bolts, I don't have nothing. Fine, so don't expect that I'm gonna close this transmission now. It's still, I'm checking it. Consider that I'm still checking it. Alright, so I need to strip it off completely, wash it properly, check the bearings, check the synchro, check every single thing to don't have any headache, to close it once, then to don't have any problem again. Regarding the electrical part, I have already mentioned in the previous video, right? So the stand looks like it's holding fine without any problem. It's solid. It's not tilted. It's not like a Pisa building, you know, that's like this, sideways. Looking good. Let's move on. I don't know, should I finish the video now here or should I will gonna see. Okay, now I have transferred all the gears from the other side, from the other half. Before it was here. Alright, and to open, first you're opening the bolts, first you're opening this one, this housing, you're opening the bolts, then you put back in the housing, you're making upside down, and you remove it. This here, this piece here, it's been pressed on this bearing. That I want to inspect all the bearings, I want to see that everything is fine. This is the pinion, that's the pinion, it looks like it's been fine. If they bring me the nut, I might open it. If they don't bring me the nut, I'm not gonna open it. We're gonna see about that. Now, next step, the parking, I can take it out or I can remove also the bearing from there inside, but for now, this is actually how you put it. After that, it has a specific position to be able to close it. It's not a big deal. The forks here, whoops, a little bit more, gonna fall down. Forks here, it's okay, beautiful. So this here, this piece, it goes here, and then there is another one here, and another one here. There's 1, 2, 3. This is to support this plate there. Okay, there is 1, 2. It's supposed to have another one. Yeah, 3. 1, 2, 3. All right. The color of this, it's supposed to don't be like that. This is because of the oil. It's supposed to be nice and silver. It's aluminum. It's not plastic, fortunately. All right. We don't have a single mark. That's good. Here, this is the rubber to seal to hold some oil inside. Here in place. Beautiful. Now, next thing. You remember the two the two Teflon or nylon bearings. What I fix down over there to put it in. Now I have to fix another two. One here, one here. We're gonna be out of aluminum, and we're gonna fix something to be able. I'm gonna have a stand similar to this out of aluminum to be able to turn all these gears in a stand and to be able to work with, to see the forks, to see the mechanism here that everything's fine, that does have any problem, it does have a run out, it does have extra wear, just in case it might stick. It's difficult, but it might. That's what I'm saying. The sludge, it's helping in some cases it's welcome, some other cases not. Okay. That's what it is. Okay, one full day just to open the transmission. Yay, lovely. When it comes from the factory, it's not coming like this. This is happening later because of the oil. At the end, we're gonna put a fresh oil inside for the gears, fresh oil for the hydraulic to be okay. Inspect every single thing to don't have any headache. So from mechanical point, gears, synchros, bearings, like I said, the extension wiring, these things, to be sure that everything is fine, and then moving on with the rest. If outside, if there is any problem with the wiring external or the TCU, that's a different story. At least to make sure that everything is fine. And don't forget also this shaft, this stupid shaft, that whoever mess with this shaft, I have no fucking clue why to mess with this shaft. I don't know, you can just remove the cable from there and then move it by hand if you want. To remove the nut and remove completely this one and grab it and try to turn it, make no sense to me at least. That's it. Have a nice weekend. The pin, no need to remove it. Should I remove it? No, screw it. Why to remove it? This is for the frame for this one. It makes no sense. Alright. I don't see anywhere. It's very clean. The seam, okay. Keep the seam here. No need to lose it. I don't see where on the gears. I didn't feel on the synchros. We're gonna see. I believe that all the problem with this transmission, what I believe, I might be wrong. I believe that this is the whole problem. Either this or the extension for the solenoids, or both. It might be. This I believe that this what happened on the threads here, this happened after. That means they had the problem, it was not shifting, and then somebody decided to remove the nut and start playing with the shaft. That doesn't make any sense to me, at least. I will gonna change also the pressure sensors that has front, this kind of pressure sensors. I'm gonna put a new one. At least I asked to bring me a new one. Now if they tell me put the old one and still has a problem, sorry. Okay, that's it. Thank you very much. Have a nice weekend. Bye.